What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Notorious and
Shorty.
And today we're gonna be reacting to some Derek D. It's called the Firecracker prank on boyfriend. Girlfriend gets revenge.
Yeah, this one look good.
So let's go ahead and jump right into this video and see what's up, man.
It's a bitch. You wanna put sex on me while I'm sleeping? Okay, that's cool. But I got 8,000 fireworks right here with your name on it. Let's see how you like this shit.
Damn. Bro, she tripping, bro.
She overdoing it.
Oh, no. She look like she about to go to war, bro. Shoot, I'm gonna beat the cameraman's ass too, just for helping.
I'd be surprised if her bed don't catch fire.
They got a shotgun on the side? Or a rifle, whatever that is?
Shotgun.
Shoot, they ain't playing.
They badass.
You better hope the gun don't go off from all that powder, bro. Bruh. She better not. You nervous? Yeah, you better be. Your house gonna catch on fire.
I shouldn't put one on his leg.
Oh, she's serious about that. Oh, it went out. Hey, this nigga ready?
Oh my god!
He was like,
Bruh.
well, I would have been good.
Oh my goodness. What did he grab?
That was a sheet, nigga.
Wow! You okay, Dad? Hey, are you okay? Dad, what happened? Hey, are you okay?
That turned out damn what happened.
Dad, say something, bro. Dad, are you okay?
You could have killed him. What you mean?
My fucking eardrums popped out.
Damn.
I see
Oh my
that bed,
God.
like, damn.
You can't even see nothing. Look like a scary movie. How did the cameraman hurt more? Shut up.
That's what got me fucked up in the first place.
Bro, that's crazy, bro.
That shit was retarded.
Like, what would you do if somebody did you like that?
I mean, I really wouldn't know what the fuck. I don't think black people play like that.
We don't. We really don't.
No, man, ain't nobody gonna put no firecracker. That's just dangerous. It's a safety hazard, and a black person don't want their damn house burned down.
Shoot, that's crazy. Anyway, y'all, if y'all want to watch the original video, it'll be in the description down below. Shorty's, his channel will be out.
Yeah, coming motherfucking soon. I'm on the way.
And I'll be featuring on there sometimes too. But yeah, y'all. And I guess that's the end of the video. So we'll see y'all next time. We are out. Peace.